Hey boys and girls, it's time for math. Yesterday you had your math assessment. You guys did a really good job on those. Thanks Mom and Dad for sending me those scores. Really proud of you guys for keeping up with your math. I know it's hard to do at home. There are a lot of distractions, so good job on that. Today is Thursday, so it is the last day of school for the week. So let's push through. We can do this, and let's have a really good math lesson. All right, so let's start with our date, our number pattern, and our coin cup. Okay, so today's date is April 23rd, 2020. All right, you echo after me. Ready? April 23rd, 2020. Good. Let's say it all together now. Ready? April 23rd, 2020. Nice job. All right, let's look at our number pattern for the day. We have 15, 20, 25, blank, blank, blank. All right, I'll let you look at that and work on that, and I'll fill it in just a minute. All right, Miss Shaw's going to get a marker out and write down the answer. Okay, who knows what it is? I can all hear you. I do. All right, ready? Here we go. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. All right, now all by yourself, I want you to say it, okay? Ready, go. Good. What are we counting by? Are we counting by fives? Yes, we are. Good job. We are counting by fives. All right, let's look at that coin cup today. Let me grab my coins really quickly. You hear all the coins coming? Okay, remember we're doing nickels and pennies now. So remember our nickels are the silver coin, a little bit fatter than the dime. And then we have our pennies. Okay, I'm gonna spread them out here. I'm gonna pick up my camera and turn it over so you can see it. Okay, here we are. Look at my nickels and my pennies. Let's sort them into like columns, okay? So let's see, we've got, see if Miss Shaw can get these all laid out correctly. It's hard to do with my camera and my fingers. Okay, here we go. So let's start with counting our nickels first. So remember, we count by fives. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. We have 33 cents. Okay, let me write that down in our coin cup box. 33 cents. All right, here we go. 33 cents. Right, with my nickels and my pennies. Good job. All right, go ahead and grab your math meeting book. We're going to do that next. I need to get this ready too. Okay, here we go. We are going to open to what calendar? What month are we in? Can you tell me what month it is? Did you say April? Okay, here we are. April calendar, and today is April 23rd. So I went ahead. Now, yesterday you had a math assessment, so maybe you didn't write in yesterday's date. I'm not sure. If you didn't, that's okay. If you need to, write in 22. That was Wednesday, yesterday. And today is Thursday, April 23rd. All right? Fill that all in. And then go to your weather graph. We are already coming close to the end of April. My goodness. Okay, so look out your window. Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cloudy? Is it snowing? and fill in your next square. Okay? And once you have that done, where do we go next? We go all the way to the back to our counting, right? And remember, I said, I think it was on Tuesday or Monday, that it's important that you count with me. Don't just listen to me count, okay? I need you to practice counting. I need you to point at the number. It's really good for you to do this, even if you feel silly doing it. You can always recruit a brother or sister to count with you, or a cat. There you go. Go get a pet to count with you. See if they know their numbers. Okay, so today we are going to count odd numbers going forward. Okay, so pointy finger ready. Go to the top. Remember, we start with 1 when we count our odd numbers. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. Good job. Now let's count our hundreds, okay? We want to make sure we're learning that new counting strip with counting by hundreds all the way to 1,000, okay? So here we go. Ready? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Good job. All right, that's what we're doing for counting today. Nice job. I'm pretty sure I could hear you in your houses counting right now. All right, and go back to your number line and let's fill in our next number. Remember, if you need to ask for help, that's okay. Make sure you get the correct number in the number box. All right, when you're done with that, go ahead and put that away. And we are going to get ready for our new coin cup. Remember, we started this maybe last week. We've done it this week. And we have our 100 pennies in our coin cup now. Now, in my coin cup, if I have 100 pennies, how many pennies do I need to add to make 105? So let me grab my 100 pennies in my coin cup. I have 100. How many pennies do I need to add to make 105 pennies? Let's count it and see. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, right? I added 5 pennies to make 105. So I'm going to write it down as a number sentence. 100 plus 5 equals 105. Okay, here we go. 100 plus 5 equals 105. Good job, guys. Okay, let's get ready for our number of the day. Does anybody know what it is today? Can you take a guess? Did you know it? The number of the day is 95. So what 2 digits do you need to make 95? And what number comes first? Did you say 9 and 5, right? 95. Now, what would happen if I wrote it like this? What if I switched my numbers? I knew it needed a 9 and a 5, but I accidentally wrote 5 first. What number would this be if I put my 5 first and then my 9? It would be 59, right? That's a different number than 95, so I have to make sure I put them in the right order, okay? So our number of the day is not 59, it's 95. Okay, we have been talking about our tens and ones. All right, tens, ones. How many tens do I have in the number 95? I have 9 tens, don't I? How many ones do I have in the number 95? I have 5 ones. All right, I'm going to show you something really quickly. Okay? Do you remember the number we just did was 105, right? 105. Okay? 105. All right, I'm going to separate this. I'm going to show you something. We've added a new column right here, haven't we? So I'm going to show you what we have been doing. So what number is in our tens column? 0. What number is in our ones column? 5. Do you know what this column is called? This column is called our hundreds, right? Can you hear it when I say 100, 500? So the number in my hundreds column is 1. The number in my tens column is 0. And my number in my ones column is 5. Just something fun to think about, right? As we add, as we go up higher above 100. Okay, today we are going to be learning how to subtract a number from 10. So I need you to get the worksheet, Master 1, 105. And it kind of looks like a grid, right? I had to make mine at home. It's not as nice as yours, but I still have 10 boxes, okay? So grab that and 10 pennies, okay? I'm going to get 10 pennies as well out of my coin cup. I want you to put a penny in each box, and I'm going to flip the camera over, and we're going to talk about that, okay? So here we go. Let's flip it over. All right, so you can see I have 1 penny in each box, okay? So let's count those pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? Now let's say that I have 10 cents and I'm gonna give Sawyer 2 cents. Okay, lucky you, Sawyer. I'm gonna give you 2 cents. So I'm gonna take 2 away. How many pennies do I have left? Let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 pennies left. So I'm going to scoot this over. I'm going to see if I can write this one-handed because Miss Shaw is holding the camera as well, right? So I just said 10 minus 2 that I gave to Sawyer. How many pennies did I have left? I had 8 pennies left. Okay, let's try it again. I'm going to put my pennies back on. Doo-doo-doo. Good. I'm going to erase my math problem over here because I'm not going to use that one again. Okay, I have 10 cents and I'm going to give Leanne 4 pennies. Okay, so let's take 4 out of here and let's give 4 to Leanne. Okay, how many pennies do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. So let's write that as a math problem. I had 10 pennies and I wanted to give how many to Leanne? I gave 4 to Leanne. How many do I have left now? I have 6. Did you notice what sign I used? Do you remember what that's called? My minus sign, right? I'm subtracting. I'm taking away 4 pennies from my 10, and I'm left with 6. Okay, let's do one more together. I'm going to erase my problem here. I'm going to get my pennies back on. I have 10 pennies. All right, I have 10 pennies, and I'm going to give 8 of them to Miss Spencer. 8 pennies to Miss Spencer. So let's take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pennies do I have left? 2, right? So I had 10 pennies. And I gave Miss Spencer 8 pennies. Now, how many pennies do I have left? I have 2 pennies left. All right, boys and girls, we are going to be subtracting from 10. You can use your penny graph when you do your math worksheet, okay? If that helps you, put a penny in each of them knowing you have 10. And whenever you see minus whatever number, minus 8, you take 8 pennies away and count what's left. All right? Okay, let me flip back over here. All right, so you get to work on Math Fact page 6.0 and worksheet 105. Okay? And that's it. That's your math. And you get 3 days off for the weekend. So come on, you can do it, okay? Don't get stuck. Just say, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Math is fun. I love to find number patterns and see what numbers do together. And when I take numbers apart, what happens? It's really a fun process. So keep it up, finish well, and I will see you guys next week for math again. All right. Bye, guys.